Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the font size on the Discord. So if you want to make the text bigger or smaller, let me show you what you can do. Let's start by going to user settings, which is located over here in the bottom left corner. Now let's go to appearance settings, which is under the app settings section. And now scroll down to find these sliders over here. And you have chat font scaling. Here you can adjust the size of the font. So as you can see, you can set it, for instance, to 24 pixels. And if we go back and let's open any chat, then as you can see, it is quite huge. Now, if you want to, you can also change the zoom level, which looks something like this. Of course, this changes the whole appearance of the Discord, not just the text. However, since it changes everything, it changes the size of the font as well. So this is how you can change the font size on Discord. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.